In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1606dn printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome and at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet P1606dn driver. And then hit the enter key and in that way, you would be able to be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result under support.hp.com and kindly wait until you would be navigated to the page where you can see the printer driver of the P1606dn. So here it asks you to choose a different operating system. If the detected operating system is not right, click on choose a different OS and click on this down arrow key and use for Windows 11 and click on update. Once done, you can now scroll down on the list and please proceed to driver product installation software and click on this download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Wait until it would be done. The speed would depend on the Wi-Fi or the network connection that you are connecting as of the moment. So once you have downloaded it, please copy and paste it here to the desktop, okay? Show it in folder first and copy and paste it here to the desktop. Once you're good, please proceed on the extraction by double tapping, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract this application. So please choose for extract to, then it would be extracted. Kindly wait until this would be done. Now, if no file has been automatically created here at the desktop screen, you can manually check it to the File Explorer by bringing it up. Click on it here, and please proceed to the desktop where you can now you can see the extracted file, then good. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So it is being placed here as well, then good. So by that, please navigate to the start icon, make a right click, and then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once you're here, please navigate directly to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please choose for Bluetooth and devices. And from here, go with printers and scanners and wait until you can see this kind of the option. So please go with add device, click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. So click on it. And here, please choose for add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and choose among of these three USB port and click on next. Once done, click on have disk and click on browse. And go with the desktop. Proceed to the extracted file and please scroll down on the list and select any of these three driver. Click on open and click on OK. And eventually you can see a lot of printers. Just find for 1606dn. Okay, so I can see it here. Just click on next and you can rename that into HP LaserJet P1606dn and click on the next, and it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Now, once done, you can now click on next. Go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1606dn printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.